kid adventures, and this one I'm kind of sad Jeremy doesn't get to go with me on. I am doing a solo trip because my boys are with their dad this Christmas. It is Christmas Day and we celebrated it with Jeremy's kids this morning. It was awesome. But I have the opportunity to get away to somewhere warm. Thank goodness. I can't wait. And I get to meet a new friend. I've been wanting to fish with this lady for a long time. She's super cool. Yeah, so I'm not gonna tell you guys yet, but you'll find out soon enough. We have a 13-hour venture and we're staying for just 2 days. So it's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited. It's gonna be warm. So first, let's set up the car and get some dinner cooking. I promised Jeremy I won't break his light this time. But like I said, we have a 13-hour travels ahead of us, and then who knows where we're going from there. So I do have my little bed set up. That way I'm gonna stop somewhere along the line and take a little rest there. So let's get our rod. All right, y'all, now let's go get our road trip dinner ready. I guarantee you already know what I'm about to do. Now, let's get it plugged into the Rodedo. Let's get it plugged into the rodeo.
Red ODO.
Let's get it plugged into the red ODO and we'll be on our way. Of course, we can't forget about Jeremy and the kiddos. Maybe we'll share a meal later together. All right, you guys, let's hit the road. I am super nervous. I always get nervous to meet new people, especially, ooh, the car had a little trouble starting because it's so freaking cold here. Ooh, seat warmer on. I get nervous meeting new people though, especially when they're like super, super badass. So I am excited to meet this girl. Oh my gosh. But like I said, 13 hours, here we come. Yay! Hi guys! How's your dinner? What did Leland say?
He said, how can Alyssa leave him without such a good dinner? I said, she's the one that made it.
Oh my goodness, you like it, Lily? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Well, I'm glad you guys like dinner.
It was good.
I love you.
Love you too.
Mwah.
Be safe.
I will. Oh my gosh. It is smelling so good. And I gotta take a tinkle break, but I found myself in Kansas City and I don't really love to stop here because it's just really busy all the time.
Stay in the middle lane.
Aye, aye, Captain. I'm annoyed. I somehow took a wrong turn. So
have chocolate. I got cold chocolate for Christmas. Seems fitting. But it was only 10 minutes out of the way, so I guess I'll live. But still looking for a love so I can get my butt nuggets. This will do for now. We made it to Love's, you guys. Super stoked to go get my butt nuggets. I freaking love those things. We gotta gas up, grab soda, and probably a couple Red Bulls. I'm not quite hungry yet, so I'm gonna turn my crock pot down to warm so I can eat right before bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff taken care of, you guys. Go tinkle, of course. And then we're gonna hit the road again. On the road again with my butt nuggets, my butt nugget jerky. I better not fill it before then long.
All right, guys, I am starting to wear down a little bit. The fog's definitely moving in. So I think I have about 40 minutes till my next truck stop that I plan on sleeping at and having my late night dinner. We made it! Oh, maybe. We made it to our dinner sleeping spot. Thank goodness, I was getting sleepy. Our humble abode awaits. Get my shoes off. Grab the board. My TV. It's gonna be great. And bring my curtains down. And then I have the tinted windows, so that helps. Oh my goodness! I'm so ready for this. All right, let's see. Where's our chicken? Oh yeah, shreddy chicken. Shreddy chicken, shreddy chicken. Shreddy chicken is the best. The best one. Oh, that's actually really good, you guys. I'm gonna dish a plate up and then get my TV set up and get comfy in bed. I think I could get used to this home-free living. I sure do. Delicious, and now I'm beyond full and really ready for bed. So I'm gonna clean that in the morning. We're gonna get some shut-eye, you guys, and then in the morning I'm gonna go ahead and air up the tires to this thing, top off gas, and probably take a shower so I don't roll into the south smelling real nasty. So all right, let's get into bed, guys. Oh my gosh. Not gonna lie, this feels amazing, and you know that feeling when you can pretty much sleep anywhere because you're so sleepy? Yeah. Good night, you guys. I'll catch you in the morning when it's shower time. And then my nerves are really gonna kick in. All right, guys. That was a good slumber. Not sure if it was long enough, but I think I got plenty of rest. Now, let's go shower up so we don't smell like butt.
All right, you guys. If you've never used a truck stop shower, today's the day. It's really not that rough. I was kind of scared at first just because I'm always scared of like doing something new, but yeah. Not scary at all. They're super, super nice. I've yet to find a not nice one. Hi. One shower, please.
It's gonna be $18.
Alrighty.
There you go, ma'am. Your shower's up already. The showers are gonna be down this hallway, the third floor, the 30th.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Yay. Oh my gosh. See? You have like your towels, your toilet, you take a poop, and then a nice big shower. And you're damn right, it was $18. We're doing our dishes in the shower as well.
And now, let me get my face on. All right, not too bad. Now let's just wipe up our mess and hit the road again.
See, really not so bad. They make it super easy and they're really clean, so it helps out a ton. All right, gotta unload our dishes from there. Well, we'll do that later. We're gonna hit the road again with our cup of joe, you guys, and go to our final destination. I cannot wait. I am stoked and excited and really nervous too. My hands are getting sweaty. I forgot Jeremy got me snow for Texas. It's snowing in Texas. Did I just give up where I'm going? That was really good though.
Ey. El rachetón. Vámonos, baby, vente, vámonos. Vine solo al party y me voy con dos. Ey, vámonos, baby, vente, vámonos.
We made it. We are pulling up right now. I have to turn around. I'm nervous, you guys, but I'm excited. And of course, I'm in my favoriteest fishing spot, Texas, baby. Let's go meet our friend. Hello, I made it. So excited to meet you. Yeah. It was wonderful.
Oh, that's awesome.
Even if I'm not with Jeremy, like make it kind of an adventure.
Oh, that's so
it's
cool.
like,
I love it. I love it.
yes, I made it.
Yes,
I'm here.
yes.
I brought like a few rods, but I didn't bring any tackle.
I have. Girl,
I was
I
like,
have, trust me.
well, I'll learn from her and I'll
I have
just.
tackle, girl. Don't worry
Oh
about
my
it.
gosh.
I have plenty, so we're good.
So excited.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So tomorrow, we'll talk about it. I know today you might be a little tired, but we can actually go out either for reds or crawfish hunting tonight. Either or. Crawfish hunting's fun too.
I've never done that. I have a pet crawfish. Did you know that? His name's Henry. He came from Arkansas.
Well, maybe you can go take it. I don't know if you'll make it. Not at all. And you absolutely make yourself at home.
Oh my
anywhere
gosh,
and
you're
everywhere.
just
like,
the
yeah.
best. I'm so excited. Oh,
I have some
man.
toys for us to play with. you
Oh my
know.
gosh.
So I have.
Yeah.
I got my new blowgun. So
What?
yeah.
I want to do all of the things. Oh my gosh, wow. Oh, I just appreciate it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm too scared of Jeremy's because they're like big.
So this is my son, Robert.
Robert,
This is Alyssa. She's a hardcore fisherwoman. Oh.
nice
You gotta
to
see
meet
some of the
you.
fish she has.
That's a savage.
Let's see.
So this is Rico.
Yeah, I think you better lighting.
Are so much calmer than Jeremy's.
So yeah, that's Rico. Careful, he'll go in your shirt. He likes
he's
boobies.
Like a heart. He likes
He hearts boobies. Throw him around your head. And he's real like, whoa.
He's already like, I'm going. Oh my gosh.
All right, guys, you heard the girl. We're gonna get settled in, and then we're gonna go blow dart some crawdads. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, check out the Turn and Burn Texas series this week and next week, and enjoy this teaser video of what we have for you guys. Stay wicked, y'all.